there was a wealthy doctor once who was out of the country, in fact, and found this parrot bird that cost $5,000 and could speak 9 languages. So he wanted to give his mother something very special for Christmas. So when he got back to the States, he sent her the bird and didn't hear from her. And so at Christmas time, he called his mother. He said, "Mama, you get the present that I sent you?" She said, "Yeah, we got it. I mean the bird." She said, "Oh yeah, we got him the other day. We cooked him last night, but he was a little small to go around." He said, "Mama, you cooked a $5,000 bird that could speak 9 languages?" She said, "Well, he should have said something." My point in all of that is, we got to say something. Thank you very much.